How to use Visa gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the Visa gift card online. Now, if you're wondering how you can use or if you can use the Visa gift card online, then yes, you can use the Visa gift card online. Now, where can you use it or how do you use it? You can use your card for online purchases by entering the card number, expiry date, and the 3-digit code CVV found on the back of the card. Occasionally, websites will ask for the name on the card. In these instances, all you have to do is you'll have to insert gift card in the field provided. Now, should the value of an item you are purchasing be higher or exceeded the value remaining on your card, your payment may not be accepted and you will need to contact your card provider or the merchant to confirm how the amount can be settled. Now, for example, for instance, let's say you want to make a purchase on Google Play Store using the Visa gift card, right? You can use the Visa gift card anywhere that Visa card is accepted or debited credit card is accepted while making an online purchase. So if I open a Play Store, if I head into this payment and subscriptions here and tap on payment methods, now here you can see that there is no any Visa card or Visa gift card option, right? In that case, all you have to do is you'll have to tap on add debit or credit card, enter in your Visa gift card number here, and then go ahead and add in other details and you'll be able to use it. However, if there is a Visa card options elsewhere, you want to tap on Visa card option and use the Visa gift card there. So this way you can use your Visa gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.